Well, it's been a while since I made a video. We're all packed, ready to go, heading over to Bow Desert. And I'm going to build a little deck landing. Got the decking here. Got some nice mobile posts and treads and for the stringer. Treads and stringer for the stairs. Yeah, it should be a fun time. All packed. Got the swag. She's all ready to go. Should be fun. Well, this is it. Build a landing here. Put that out to that point. Some stairs that come down off the master bedroom. Let's see how we go. Ready to support this bearer. I was okay with hitting that with the hammer, because I'm going to be cutting that bit that I was cutting out anyway for the joist or the other end of the bearer to sit into. So she's still wet, quite wet. And I've got the ends in this end bearer and joist, and so I've made it so that this end is the exact same distance as this end, and I've put this string line up against this bearer. As you can see, it's poking out a good 20 mil in the middle there, it's that bow. So I'm going to throw my joist in now. I'm going to use these joists to push this bearer into this string, just off the string, so I know that she's straight. It's coming along now. So that one bit of timber has taken that bow out. You see that string against there? Perfect the whole way. That's what we want. this first board into place. And what I'm going to do here, I've got it flush with the edge of the bearer because of this post. And I've got this quirk here, this gap here, which I kind of want to keep that 10mm gap. So between these posts, I'm going to rip this and route that edge to around it. And keep this edge here flush with the stairs, so you just step onto that. And then back between these two, same thing, going to rip that 10mm and route that. Should look fairly neat. Oh, very neat actually. Alright, here we go. Next up, I'll be building a set of stairs coming off the landing. I'll be adding balustrading between the posts, and I'll put some feature timbers around the door, and I'm also going to build an open pergola above it. So we'll throw some beams in there and make it look schmick. So stay tuned for that.